Skull Valley, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Ogden, Layton, Murray, Bountiful, Tooele, Farmington, Brigham City, Grantsville, Morgan, Randolph, Hill Air Force Base, Dudley English Village, West Jordan, Taylorsville, South Jordan, Roy, Clearfield, and Midvale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 299 and 371. Interstate 84 between mile markers 82 and 113. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 48 and 127. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation.